Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is an updated favorites video, and today I'm going to be talking about some of my top 5 stylers. My previous video on my top 5 stylers is still relevant, but I'm just giving you a bit of an update. So today I'm going to be giving you the top 5 in no particular order, so stick around, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. I'm going to start off with a local South African brand, which is from the Perfect Hair. This is their Mango&Marula perfectly popping fruity curl activated gel. I do have a full video using this entire line. I love this lightweight gel. If you're someone who doesn't like the crunch, you don't want that hard hold, this is perfect for you. I love it to refresh my hair and it gives my hair an amazing shine. This gel right here is one of my current favorites. Another one is from Creme of Nature. You can also find this in South Africa at Clicks, and this is the Creme of Nature with Argon Oil from Morocco for natural hair. This is their twist and curl pudding. It promises to shape and smooth your hair and also to stretch out your curls. This gave me an amazing wash and go, and it's also for protective styles as well, twist outs and braid outs. This is amazing. Soft hold, it clumps your curls, it gives you definition. This for me surprised me so much, and that's why it's one of my faves. The next two are from Aunt Jackie's. I'm going to start off with the coconut cream recipes. This is the Curl Boss, and I do have a video using this as well. This is really good. So impressed by it, so impressed by the hold, the definition. My hair just looked amazing using this gel, and there's no parabens in this, no mineral oil, no sulfates as per Aunt Jackie's, and it's enriched with coconut oil as well. It gives you frizz-free hold. This is a sachet. I can use this twice. It also comes in a big tub as well. This for me really impressed me, and I like this as a gel. From their new collection, which is the Grape Seed collection from Aunt Jackie's, this is the Ice Curls. It's a glossy curling jelly. This also gave me amazing results. I love the size of this. It has almond oil and marshmallow root. If you've been following me for a while, you know that my hair loves marshmallow, and that's the trick in this that my hair absolutely loves. This does promote elongation, doesn't do much elongation for me, but that's fine because it's great for waves, for twists, for locks. The moisture, and that's it for me. It's so moisturizing, and it leaves you here with this amazing shine. The new collection from Aunt Jackie's has entered into my favorites. My last styler for my South African audience, you might not be familiar with this, so I'm going to introduce you to one of my new favorite stylers, and it is from Aunt JesseCurls. This is the JesseCurls Spiralicious styling gel, and it provides all day hold and frizz control for all hair types, and it does that. I love the texture of it. It's so lightweight, and if you like me that has some tight curls, because I also have some type 4 curls at the back, it just gives you such amazing definition. This for me is something that I wish was on the market. I wish so many people knew more about it. For your kinkier curls, your tighter curls, your curls are gonna love this. And as promised, it gives all day hold. This can give you up to day 5 hair, which is absolutely amazing. The longevity that this product provides is just super amazing. That's it, guys. These are my current top 5 favorite stylers. They give hold, they give definition. Some of them give day 5, day 7 hair. I wanted to keep this video very short, very brief, so that you guys can have access to it and watch it in less than 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop your comments down below. What are your favorite stylers? And I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Take care.